Today we are going to solve day 13 problem on LeetCode. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe my YouTube channel. So now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So in this problem we have to find the minimum number of steps to make two strings anagram, and you are given two strings of same length, okay, S and T, and in one step you can choose any character of T and replace it with another character. Return the minimum number of steps to make T an anagram of S. An anagram of a string is a string that contains the same characters with the different or same ordering. Okay, so here in this input 1, the string S is given as BAB and string T is given as ABA. Okay, so here in S you can see that total count of B is 2. Total count of B is equal to 2, right? And total count of A is equal to 1. This is for string S. And for string T, you can see that the total count of A is 2 and B is 1. Okay, so here what we are doing, replace the first A in this T with B. So if we replace this first A with B, then T becomes BBA, right? If it is BBA, then it becomes the anagram of S. Okay, so now when we replace this A with B, then T has total 2 B's and 1 A, right? 2 B's and 1 A. This is what we want. Okay, same number of characters, and we don't care about their ordering. So we just need to have same number of characters, but it doesn't matter whether they have same or different ordering. Okay, so that is why we get the output as 1. So we just replace 1A with B. Okay, so can I solve this question with this logic? If I subtract 2 here, for this A value is 1, and in this string for A value is 2. So can I do like this? Mod of value of A in string S minus value of A in string S minus value of A in string T. When I subtract this 2, then my result is going to be 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, but I am using mod here. Okay, so if I am using mod here, then total result I get as 1. Okay, and again for B, I am going to check total count of B in S is 2. Okay, B in S minus with B in T, right? This is what I am doing. So B, this 2 minus 1, and the mode is there, so it is also equal to 1. So I can add these two things. If I add these two things, then total sum that I get is 2, right? Now if I divide this 2 with 2, then my output is going to be 1, right? In this way I can make the two strings anagram. I can check in this way. Okay, so in this way we are going to solve this question. So you will get a more clear idea when we are going to write the code for this one. So here first let's create one int array, and this is going to be very small code, and I think within next 5 minutes you will be able to understand everything. So just in this count array, first we are going to get the count of string S. Okay, so and length we are going to pass as 26, because we are going to calculate the occurrences of each character. Like in total there are total 26 alphabets, right? So we are going to get the count. If A is 1 time, B is 2 time for S, C is 0 time, D is equal to 0 time, E is equal to 0 time. So we are going to get the count for each character from A to Z. Okay, in this counts array. Similarly, we are going to create one more array for counting the occurrences of characters how many times in a string for this string T, right? Like this, count T is equal to, and pass the same length, new int 26. There are 26 alphabets in English. I hope that you guys know this. So okay, so now we have created one array. Now after that we are going to run one for each loop. Okay, so for character ch in first go to a string, first string s string, and change convert this string to char array. So for that write to char array function, and when we converted this string to char array, then inside that we are going to increment this count of s, and here first character this ch. Okay, and we are going to subtract it with a alphabet. Okay, so if the first character is a, then this string a minus a is equal to 0. So first we are going to get the count of 0. Okay, so here count of 0, every time whenever the character is a here, so it is going to increment that count. Okay, whenever we encounter it. And in the same way you can write the same for each loop for this next string t, right? So here count of t is equal to here ch minus a. So now we are going to get the count of each alphabet in this string. Okay, in this way. And then after that, just now we have to return the minimum number of steps. So for that we are going to create one int steps. In that we are going to store our result int step is equal to 0. And now I just run one for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus, and inside that just write step is equal to step plus math dot absolute function. And in absolute function, you just know that I have already told you what we are subtracting. We are subtracting the count of a in this string to this string count of a. So something like that we can write. Okay, so here just pass count of s I minus count of t comma I. So it is going to check for each I value, 0 value. In 0 we store a, for b we are storing the value in 1. Okay, so here step is go step plus math dot absolute count of s of I minus count of t of I, and just close this one. And then in the last step just we have to divide the number of steps by 2, and that's it. Step divided by 2. Okay, so now let's run this code. So our solution is accepted here. Now let me submit the code and see the runtime for this. So our solution runtime is 7 milliseconds and it beats around 80% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand this. This is a very easy problem, so I don't think that it is a medium level problem, so it is very easy. If you just need to understand this logic only. Okay, so we have to just count the differences and then just divide that by 2. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you guys are able to understand this problem. And if you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Thank you. Bye.